Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing two videos that Zion Oil and Gas shared with us yesterday on their Facebook page. I had a buddy of mine who shared those videos with us in our group chat last night, so I wanted to pass those on to you this morning. Some of you may have already seen them, some of you may have not, but I wanted to share it with anyone who hasn't been able to see them yet. Also, I'm going to share a link in the description to join Zion Oil and Gas's investor page. I had a subscriber who actually commented to me to join it, I believe last week. And then when I saw this Facebook post this morning of the videos, he actually was commenting again saying, hey, join the investor page. So shout out to him for, letting people know about that. So I went ahead and joined it, and I'm going to also post that link in the description below if you would like to go ahead and join it. Probably be a good way to keep up with any type of information that may come out. So just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before investing in a stock. Also, if you like the video today, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So let's go ahead and dive right on into it, guys. Alright guys, so this is obviously not my original video. This is not me filming or anything, right? So I don't own the rights to this video. This is off of Facebook, off of Zion Oil and Gas's Facebook page. So it's they're casing Zion's MJ-02 well in Israel. So I'm going to go ahead and play this. They don't have any sound on any of the videos, so just kind of bear with me here. And this video is a little bit shorter, under 2 minutes. And then the next video, you could actually, and you can see here the cement's pouring out into the well right here, into the hole that they drill. So, all right, guys, so that's the first video. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the second. Okay, guys, so now you're going to see it start to make its way down, and then at the very end of this clip, you'll see they'll be pouring more cement in from the top right here. You should be able to see it kind of coming pouring in at the very end. So if you want to fast forward to that part, you can probably go up about 20 to 30 seconds from here, and then you can actually see the cement as you watch. They're about to start coming down with it here to show you. And there it is. You see the cement poured in. All right. So that's pretty exciting, guys. I think that's really cool that they were able to share those videos with us and show us their progress. I mean, that's really awesome. I know there's some people that are, still aggravated, probably like, well, they still didn't hit oil. Well, it takes time, okay? And I appreciate that they're actually showing us something as opposed to keeping us in the dark and not doing or saying anything about their progress. So let's go ahead and look at the charts, guys, and see what they're telling us. Although they don't really look too much different than our last evaluation of them, I still want to kind of keep you updated on what's going on. All right, guys, so we're here on Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. And as you can see, right before the close yesterday, we did get a buy signal here on the 4-hour. And I was kind of wondering as to why. Maybe it was because of these videos. Maybe people saw them and, started getting a little bit of buying in. But, if there's anything we learned about this particular stock is you can get a buy signal, but it doesn't necessarily mean we're going to start taking off, because that can turn into a huge red candle, at the market open. You never really know with this particular stock, so you just have to kind of keep an eye on it. We are still trading below that red SMA line, and we are pretty close to key resistance level of 74 cents, so a little over 74, so 0.742. So would really like to see it bust through that level and use it as support from here on out, because if we do not, if we keep getting rejected here at this 74-cent level, we do have some potential for more downside closer to that 50-cent level, and we definitely don't want to see that, obviously, but it would be great to see it hold support above that 74 cents. So if we do that, if we bust above the 74 and use it as support, next key resistance would be 93 cents and a little bit more, actually a little more than 93, it'd be 0.9326. So you can go ahead and call it 94, I guess, would be the next key resistance level. So other than that, guys, we'll look down here at the RSI. We're in fair value territory. The MACD, we are in a bullish pattern, although we're not in a very aggressive bullish pattern. So, we just kind of have to keep an eye on it. If you're looking to get into the stock, then honestly, I would recommend waiting until we get above this and hold that 74 if you're in it for a swing. That way you can ride it up to the 90, plus range. Other than that, I would be a little bit hesitant to get in on a swing trade here, because you just don't know what direction the stock's going to go to. If you do see it dip down lower to that 50-cent level, then that would really be attractive to me. That's where I'm going to probably buy more heavy if it does go that low. So other than that, guys, I hope you have a great Tuesday. And again, I appreciate all of you who have subscribed to the channel. And if you appreciate this video, hit the thumbs up button. That way YouTube can push it out and help me grow the channel. So other than that, we'll catch you next time.